Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use crypto. Com to buy and send Bitcoin. Open the crypto. Com app and sign in, then complete identity verification. Next, link a bank account or card to fund your wallet. Use the buy option, select Bitcoin, enter the amount you want, and confirm the purchase. I will walk you through fees, limits, and safety tips so you feel confident sending Bitcoin. After buying BTC, check your Wallet tab to review balance and recent transactions. Make sure security is strong by enabling two-factor authentication and setting a robust passcode. Write down and store your recovery phrase offline in a safe place to avoid losing access. I will explain how to view transaction ID, confirm network fees, and track confirmations so you know when funds are fully received and safe. When you want to send Bitcoin, tap send and paste or scan the recipient address, then double-check every character. Pick the correct network and review the network fee before confirming the transaction. If you are unsure, send a small test amount first to verify the address and recipient. I will guide you through estimating confirmation times and avoiding common mistakes so your BTC arrives reliably and without unnecessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.